Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Khmerueteams official, and today we're gonna take you how to remove or hard reset Samsung Galaxy S51, and it is here. The logo mark is here. And so now the first thing that we're gonna do is you need to turn off the phone. However, the phone is in lock screen, so we cannot turn it off right away. So I have this USB port here and already plugged into my computer. We don't need to do anything else with that, but we use only 5 volts uh, battery from this cable here, and we have to try to shut down the phone. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is you need to hold volume down here and the power button here to force the phone to shut down. So now let's get start and testing together. Press holding volume down and power button until the phone is completely closed, and keep holding volume up like this. Keep holding volume up like this. Sometimes you will got fail because the phone have been locked, the bootloader. So now you have to try this in multiple times. Okay. Keep holding, don't release until you see the recovery is loading. But now it's not working, so you need to use the USB cable here and plug it in to your phone. You have to try to shut down the phone. Now I'm gonna plug the USB here and then click, and now press volume down buttons, volume down and a power button here, so to force it to restart. Now I'm click on that, volume down and power button to force the phone restart, and then change the volume to volume up and release the power button here, and keep holding until you see the recovery setting like this. And now you got the recovery setting, and you can reset it now. Now you have to use volume up and down to reset. So you have to choose volume up and down. Okay, volume down or volume up. To restore factory reset, Y data reset, and then click on power key, and then select the one option below, and then click power key again. Now the phone is starting to erase everything, and you have to unplug the USB port to do this, and the phone now start erasing. And the second step is you need to clean the cache here. Now I'm gonna show you why cache partition. It means to clear all hard drive. Okay, this one here, why cache partition, and then clear everything, and then click on yes. Click volume down to choose yes, and then click on power button, And the phone now starting to write data. And now click the power button and select the reboot system now. And now the phone is going to reboot. And the lock screen will be erased automatically. And this time you need to wait about 10 to 50 seconds, depending on the phone speed, starting speed. So it is hang on logo, but you have to wait for it until the phone is start up. And now the phone is gonna be restart or reboot here. So you have to wait about 10 seconds more. And now everything is complete. So now click on start. And you have to select all. Continue. Continue. Agree. And you have to click on skip here, but it is not the English language. It is an Cambodian language. So it is meaning the skip on this place. Okay, wait few seconds more. Okay, agree here. And agree. Skip again. And then connect to the Wi-Fi network here and put your Wi-Fi password. And click on connect. And then click on the next here. And here is the way that you're gonna put your Google account to continue. If you forgot your Google account, you can watch your video step on next time. So thank you for watching.